Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a green eye makeup look. As you can see here, today I am going back into the little Star Wars The Mandalorian Baby Yoda makeup palette. I was imagining this makeup look for like the entire week because I was thinking about, okay, what video do I want to do next? And this just this green makeup look has been on my mind. I'm like, I should really do it. And I was like, nah, maybe I won't. But then I was like, no, let's do it because I've been like thinking about it so much. I wanted to see it come to life. And I really love how it is. I feel like it kind of brings out the brown in my eyes. But it also is very different. I don't wear a lot of green eye makeup looks. The last video I did using this palette, I really love how that turned out. So I tend to use like light shimmery shades, whereas it's just like a pretty much a neutral matte green finish. I think there's like a tiny little bit of a sheen in the crease, but overall it's just a matte finish, and it's very different, not very me, but I like it. You know, this is a very green palette, so it's kind of like, you know, colors that you want to play around. Maybe it's not something you use every day, but colors to play around with. If you're interested in seeing how I created this eye makeup look today, then just keep watching. So to start off, we're going to take just like a Tatooine and place that inner crease. This will be our transition color. Next, we're going to take a little frog and place it all over our eyelids. And I'm going to pick up just a bit more and place that in the outer crease. Next, I'm going to take Float Your Crib and place that in the outer corners, and we'll take that just about halfway up. And to bring everything in, I'm picking up more of a little frog with my blending brush and carrying it right up in the front of my inner corner of my eye. I'm carrying it up halfway so it meets with the darker shade. That way we get more of an even blend. Next, I'm going to take more of Float Your Crib and place it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to pick up Little Frog and place it to the inner part of my lower lash line. Alright guys, so I know this probably looks a little bit much, but I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here is the completed look. I just finished up the face, did my brows, put a very light tint on my lips, nothing too bright, and popped on some falsies. These are actually magnetic lashes that I've showed in a previous video before. Not my favorite, but they were really easy to put on, so that's why I use it. I think the only reason why I don't really use these lashes much is because one of the little magnetic pieces is missing, so I have to like really work with it to use it. But I think if I got some more that weren't destroyed, then you know, it would be so easy. Anyways, this is the completed look. It's definitely a pretty much matte with a tiny bit of a like tiny little sheen. It's just, you know, your olivey kind of green tones. I just used the two green shades, Little Frog and Float Your Crib, and I did bring it a little bit under the lower lash line. I did a black liner on my waterline, and then in the middle I popped a little bit of this Rimmel. It's called the Rimmel Wonder Ombre liner, and it has like a black end and then a gold end, so I used the gold to just pop it right here in the middle, and that's literally it. And I think it came out pretty well. I think the lashes definitely makes it pop and brings it out. I didn't want to go heavy with the lip color because I just want it to look almost like my natural lips. I didn't want it to be too red. So I am using this here from Dior. It's a lip tint in the color Natural Berry. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. Go ahead and try it out. And if you want to keep seeing more content, definitely leave me suggestions in the comment box down below. If you have not joined my family, please hit that subscribe button so you can become part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you here. I don't ever usually mention about the little bell because I don't know. If you want to, you can. I'm not like, you know, please hit the bell. No, I don't care. But if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I will see you guys later.